Hi, in this video you will get to see the best parts of Pondicherry trip. After we reached our accommodation, we have explored a bit of White Town here and there. Then we headed towards Auroville. It took nearly 12 kilometers from our accommodation. So from the time I started searching for sightseeing places in Pondicherry, this place really attracted me more. Maybe because of greenery, I'm always fascinated with the idea of walking in a forest peacefully. Of course, it's not exactly the same with Auroville, but at least one could get a feeling of walking in a mini forest safely. It's an experimental township founded on the principles of human unity, spiritual evolution, and sustainable living. I felt really relaxed while walking through these big trees. There are so many trees here, right? And there are so many facilities as well. You can enjoy your food, and I strongly recommend to add this place in your list as it surely gives you a rejuvenated feeling. And there are three ways that you can reach here or you can roam around the Pondicherry. You can rent a car, and second one is you can rent a scooty. You can go to local shop and hire any scooty instantly. Or you can book a cab or auto. For cab, either you can book it for few hours or the entire day, and the prices are very reasonable. For 4 hours pick up and drop, it took around 1500 for us. And next day we have started exploring all the beaches. So near to White Town there are so many places we can visit: Pondi Beach, Rock Beach, Bharti Park, Pondi Museum, Arbindo Ashram, French War Memorial, Old Lighthouse. These are all you can watch around White Town. And we have given must visit beaches in Pondicherry as well, so that you can add it in your next trip. So number one is Paradise Beach. Paradise Beach is a pristine heaven of golden sands and crystal clear waters, accessible by a scenic boat ride through serene backwaters. Awesome, right? And the next one is Rock Beach. It's also known as Promenade Beach. It's a vibrant seafront stretch perfect for leisurely strolls. Serenity Beach. So it's a coastal retreat known for its calm waters, golden sands, and popular surfing spots, offering a peaceful escape just a few kilometers from the city center. Next one is Eden Beach. So it's a serene, blue flagged, certified beach known for its clean environment, soft sands, and clear waters, perfect for a relaxing day. And the final best part is scuba diving. One of my most favorite part and most concerned part as well. We booked this diving through the site Temple Adventures. They are extremely good at their job and took care of us with great respect. They gave training in swimming pool first, and then they gave clear instructions before we are going into dive. Believe me, it's 100% safe for both beginners and experienced divers. When I talk about popular dive spots, there are many. Most famous are Temple Reef, The Hole, Arvin's Wall, Four Corners, and Coral Shark Reef. When it comes to costing factor, one basic scuba diving costs 7,500. That includes pool training, ocean dive, diving suit, equipment, diet before you dive into ocean, and certification for the diving for the depth of 40 feet underwater. Excited, right? So next time when you visit Pondicherry, make sure you cover all these best parts. Hope you enjoyed this, and don't forget to capture each and every memory of your trip. Please subscribe the channel for more and more.